Hey, Tammy here. I'm doing a stir Friday night. I thought I'd share it with you. I've got green onion in here, onion, garlic, starting with. And over here, I marinated some steak for 2 days in teriyaki. I've chopped up 4 colors of bell pepper. We're going to have mushroom, cherry tomatoes. We're going to have rice served on top of rice. We're going to have some pineapple in there and also some shrimp. I'll come back to you when I start adding. My dog barking in the background. Sure is storming here today in Texas. My last day of spring break. I think I'm going to get this a little more translucent, and then I'm going to add the meat. And then the shrimp and the rest of the vegetables. Okay, I've added the shrimp and the meat. I'm going to get this pretty cooked, and then I'll throw in the rest of the vegetables. Added some veggies, mushrooms, peppers. I'm going to cover and let cook a little longer, and then I'm going to add the tomatoes and a little bit of teriyaki and some cherry tomatoes. Okay, so now I've added tomatoes and pineapple. Hope this turns out well. We're going to put it over rice. Going to cover and cook some more. Here it is so far. I'm going to let it cook a little bit longer. And I'm going to kind of drain it. I've got to drain it. It's just too much juice going on here. Serve this over rice and hope it has a good flavor. Well, it's pretty much done. Gonna plate it up on some rice and serve it to my husband and my uncle. My uncle's here. He just moved here from Mississippi. Hope they like it. I'm back. Sorry, TV's in the background. My husband bought this rice, and I'm going to give you a big thumbs down. It's Hill Country Fare, which is by H-E-B. It's gross. It's sticky and nasty, and it's gross. Do not buy this rice if you live here in Texas. Rice. It even looks yucky. So I'm going to plate it up and give it to my uncle. He's taking a bite for the first time. Let's hope he likes it.
This one over western Travis County, close to Lake Travis.
Is it good? Is it actually good?
It is good.
On this guy west of
Glad you're enjoying it. Well, do you like it, Uncle Bill?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
On KXAN.com on your laptop. You can always take that with you as well.
You better say yes. You're on camera.
Yeah.
He's choking on it.